Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have the Angle Reese Special. I believe it is still currently going on at McDonald's, but when the limited time thing ends, you can always make it at home. All right, let's start off with the barbecue sauce. In a bowl, you want 1 cup of ketchup. Then we want to add 1/4 cup of molasses. Then you want to add 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Then you want to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then you want to add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Then you want to add about, a half a tablespoon of hot sauce. All right, then you just want to grab a whisk and whisk everything together. This is a no-cook sauce. So after you whisk everything together, grab a condiment bottle and pour it in. Then place it in the fridge for at least an hour before you cook the burgers. All right, so as you can see here on our griddle, we have some 1/4 pound patties that are sizzling away. And we're just going to season them with salt and pepper. Give them a couple of minutes each side and cook them until they are well done. All right, let's skip ahead in time. All right, once the burger is cooked through, last thing we got to do is add 1 slice of American cheese. And then create a little steam and let said cheese melt up. All right, let's go to assembly. All righty. Got our nicely toasted bun. And we're going to add our patty to that. Then we want to add some pickles to our burger. Because as I always say, burger without pickles, probably going to be garbage. Then we're going to add some sliced onions. These are thinly sliced onions. I know McDonald's has theirs actually way thicker. But for me, I like some nice thinly sliced onions. Personal preference. Like I said, this is the burger my way. Then we want to add a generous amount of that barbecue sauce that we made. Then a couple of strips of bacon. Pop the top on. And that's it. The Angle Reese Special. Done.